Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix error code 0X80070426. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to go to settings, and then you need to go to Windows Update, and you need to look if there is no updates, because in a lot of times simple Windows Update will fix this problem. So go ahead and look if there is no updates. If there is some updates, just install it, okay? And if this do not work, then proceed with other steps like this. First of all, you need to open up search, and then you just need to write Windows PowerShell. Right click on it, open as admin. Super important to open as admin, okay? Then the next step, you will find two commands in this video description below. So go ahead and copy the first command. Once you copy the first command, just go on this little gray area, and then right click it with your mouse, edit, and then paste it, and paste this code here. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then what you need to do here is to put second code here. Second code will be in the video description below as well. Just put it, and then press enter as well. And then you will see pop-up that says Gaming Services. Go ahead and install it, press yes, wait for a couple of seconds until it's done. And after that, you should be getting a installation sign that says installed. So you just need to open up Xbox app and look if there is no errors for you just trying launching or installing the game. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.